In 1816, a year that would come to be known as the year without a summer, global temperatures plummeted, crops failed, and famine swept across the globe, all due to a massive volcanic eruption that occurred exactly a year prior, on the other side of the world, at Mount Tambora in Indonesia. Now, into volcanic eruptions and their This eruption was so powerful that it released enormous amounts of volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight and affecting the Earth's climate. The impact was felt worldwide, with temperatures in North America and Europe plummeting by as much as 5 degrees Celsius, causing widespread crop failures and famine. This was not an isolated event, as similar eruptions have occurred throughout history, including the 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines, which was one of the largest volcanic eruptions of the 20th century. Volcanic eruptions like these have a profound impact on the Earth's climate, and it all starts with the release of volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. The ash, which is made up of small particles of rock and mineral, can block out sunlight, reducing the amount of solar radiation that reaches the Earth's surface. The sulfur dioxide, on the other hand, reacts with water vapor in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid droplets, which can also block out sunlight and contribute to the cooling effect. As the ash and sulfur dioxide are carried by winds around the globe, they can form clouds that can reflect sunlight back into space, further cooling the planet. This process can have a significant impact on the Earth's temperature, and can even lead to changes in global climate patterns. The effects of volcanic eruptions on the climate can be seen in the formation of new landscapes and ecosystems. For example, the 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora created a new lake in the caldera, which is now a popular tourist destination. Similarly, the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens in Washington State, USA, created a new landscape of volcanic ash and rock, which has since been colonized by new plant and animal species. These new landscapes can have a significant impact on the environment, and can even lead to changes in local climate patterns. The eruption of Mount Pinatubo, for example, caused a significant decrease in global temperatures, but it also led to an increase in rainfall in some areas, which had a positive impact on local agriculture. The impact of volcanic eruptions on human societies can be significant, and can even lead to famine and societal collapse. The 1816 year without a summer, for example, had a devastating impact on European societies, with crop failures and famine leading to widespread poverty and unrest. Similarly, the 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo had a significant impact on the local population, with many people forced to evacuate the area due to the ash fall and pyroclastic flows. The effects of volcanic eruptions on human societies can be long-lasting, and can even lead to changes in cultural and economic patterns. For example, the 1816 eruption of Mount Tambora led to a significant increase in the price of grain in Europe, which had a lasting impact on the economy of the time. The study of volcanic eruptions and their impact on the climate is a complex and multidisciplinary field, involving geologists, climatologists, and environmental scientists. By monitoring volcanic activity and studying the effects of past eruptions, scientists can gain a better understanding of the mechanisms that drive volcanic eruptions and their impact on the climate. This knowledge can be used to predict and prepare for future eruptions, and to mitigate their effects on human societies and the environment. International cooperation is essential in this field, as volcanic eruptions can have a global impact, and require a global response. By working together, scientists and policymakers can develop strategies for monitoring and responding to volcanic eruptions, and for reducing their impact on the climate and human societies. The effects of volcanic eruptions on the climate can be seen in the formation of new cloud cover, which can reflect sunlight back into space and cool the planet. The sulfuric acid droplets formed by the reaction of sulfur dioxide with water vapor can also contribute to the formation of clouds, which can have a significant impact on the Earth's temperature. The ash particles released by volcanic eruptions can also affect the Earth's climate, by blocking out sunlight and reducing the amount of solar radiation that reaches the Earth's surface. The combination of these factors can lead to a significant cooling of the planet, which can have a profound impact on the environment and human societies. The study of volcanic eruptions and their impact on the climate is an ongoing field of research, with new discoveries being made every year. By continuing to study and monitor volcanic activity, scientists can gain a better understanding of the complex mechanisms that drive volcanic eruptions and their impact on the Earth's climate. In conclusion, volcanic eruptions have a profound impact on the Earth's climate and can lead to significant changes in global temperature patterns. The release of volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere can block out sunlight, reducing the amount of solar radiation that reaches the Earth's surface and leading to a cooling of the planet. The effects of volcanic eruptions can be seen in the formation of new landscapes and ecosystems, and can have a significant impact on human societies, leading to famine and societal collapse. By studying and monitoring volcanic activity, scientists can gain a better understanding of the complex mechanisms that drive volcanic eruptions and their impact on the climate, and can develop strategies for predicting and preparing for future eruptions. The importance of international cooperation in this field cannot be overstated, as volcanic eruptions can have a global impact and require a global response. By working together, scientists and policymakers can reduce the impact of volcanic eruptions on the climate and human societies, and can create a safer and more sustainable future for all.